Hello, and welcome to our webinar on the 2025 OpenEdge Product Survey. My name is Tony Prettyman. I am Senior Director of Product Management for OpenEdge, and I'm here to go through the survey with you today. Today, we'll look at the overview and demographics, OpenEdge customer versions, releases, and deployments, development tools and AI adoption, database trends and migration insights, and security strategy. In addition, we will look at feedback that is given. So for the survey, 339 people responded. There were approximately 60 questions adapting based off of responses. The open period was the fall of 2025. We went over demographics, releases, technologies, and features. Just an FYI, there were at most only 3 responses from any single company, so there was no lean towards any specific responses. And one major feedback we got was the survey was too long, so we'll take that into consideration for next year. On to versions, releases, and deployments. Here you see a chart showing the OpenEdge versions in production. The gray bars represent the responses from 2024, and the green bars represent the responses from 2025. Some key observations out of this: you will see versions 12.8 adoption had surged from 36% to 55%, while versions 11 declined sharply as we ended support for 11.7 in April of 2025. You will see 12.2 decreased while 12.8 increased. We would expect that as people move from one supported LTS to another. And the legacy clients on 10.2b and less continued to decline from 16% to 8%. Release strategy. We find that for our customers that have responded, 39% look at innovation, but they will only deploy long-term supported releases to production. 29% will always upgrade to the latest version, whether it be an LTS or an innovation, and 16% will be open to innovation releases if the customer finds them valuable. What's interesting is that 44% of respondents said they cannot deploy frequent security and critical updates due to the significant time, effort, or costs on their end. As far as that time required, we see that 16% are able to upgrade OpenEdge releases in under 1 month, 33% from 1 to 3 months, and 21% from 4 to 6 months. The majority of customers were able to fit within those timeframes. Top challenges to deploy faster: concerns about bugs in the new version, downtime for upgrade, cost of upgrade process, and complexity of upgrade steps were the top 4 choices in a multi-select option. And as far as how you deploy OpenEdge, 60% are still on-premise, while it is going down. Cloud platforms at 38% and increasing, and a hybrid cloud platform at 19%. As far as what type of ABL applications are deployed, we see that the largest number still is GUI-based applications at 73%. Traditional desktop apps remain dominant. REST services, backend, batch processing, and web-based round out the top 4. While we still see some Windows desktop applications, ABL desktop applications, and character user interface applications still out there in production. Development and AI. For our developers, we see that 69% of all developers are still using Procedure Editor in some form. PDSOE, 65% of users, App Builder 57, VS Code 54. We are seeing a jump over there, a 9% jump year over year. Microsoft Visual Studio 26, and Common Text Editors at 24% round up the top 6 options provided. Customers respond back that they do want to see better IDE experiences. And a few mentioned PDSOE being described as buggy, and the wish for OpenEdge to move editors from PDSOE. AI coding assistants. What's interesting here is that 35% have used an AI coding assistant. That's up from 18% last year, and I would anticipate next year's survey will show an increase as well. The top 6 options for AI coding assistants: OpenAI, ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Claude, Gemini, Windsurf, and Cursor. And the top use cases are for automated testing, code quality, and chatbots. Positives people see out of AI coding assistants: it boosts productivity, helps understand legacy code, accelerates onboarding, and aids testing and documentation. The negatives they experienced last year were poor ABL syntax support, code needs corrections, struggles with OO ABL code, and requires developer validation. As far as database sizes, we're seeing databases continue to grow. Mid to large databases up to 10 terabytes are approximately 50%, up from 40% in 2020. The 2 terabyte to 10 terabyte almost doubled from 10 to 18, and small databases are continuing to decline. Top customer needs for databases: tuning and config, query optimization, online operations with zero downtime, and monitoring. One of the areas we requested you give feedback on was the shared memory connection versus the client server connection. And we see that 59% of our clients responded use both shared memory and network connections. 72% have at least tested the migration from shared memory to network. And respondents are showing that performance is the dominant concern. The for each searches with finds often appear to be problematic, and 26% have zero tolerance for degradation. So people are wanting to make sure that shared memory connections moving to client server connections perform just as fast as they were before. A few respondents on the what ABL enhancements would be most helpful. We see increasing network performance between client server using fewer larger network messages, the ability to define their own generics, certificate handling, primitive data types with generics, Swagger generator for ABL code, everything AI, helping out with configuration, deployment, code generation, bug fixing, unit testing, etc. Word index usage for SQL or JDBC connections, more asynchronous multi-threaded operations, better refactoring tool set to help modernize the legacy with trust, compiler optimizations, further develop the capabilities of the Kafka client, large temp table compression used in communication with PAS-OE, and regular expressions. For security, we asked users what type of scanning do they do security-wise for their applications. And here we have 3 different breakouts. The orange represents anyone only on 11.7 or earlier. The blue represents people that are using 11.7 plus some versions of 12, while the green represents users that are on 12.2 or later. And what we see here is that customers, it appears, are more willing to do regular scans, have a dedicated security team, and rely on OpenEdge if they are on 12.2 or greater. While customers that have never done security analysis and believe security is not a concern are on the older releases, 11.7 or earlier. So key findings: older versions have a weaker security posture. Identity providers, some of the respondents said that they prefer Azure, Okta, and SAML plus OAuth 2 tokens are in active use. Some feedback from the survey. Some positive customer feedback. 4 quotes we pulled out. Our main concern is always that existing code does not break. It practically never does. Our system and SaaS application are essentially never down. Backups have run for years unattended. Least cost of ownership and ABL's core language enhancement over the years have rocked. Some areas for improvement. ABL language performance improvement. Biggest area for improvement equals zero downtime. Improve performance of compiler optimizations and runtime. Grow community, bring in young people. Cloud native deployments. and better IDEs. This wraps up the general survey for 2025 results. We will be putting out a survey in 2026, and hopefully you are able to respond. Thank you.